Forgotten username recovery fail on Kabbage Fix. If you've tried to recover your Kabbage username and it keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they expect Kabbage to still use usernames. The surprising truth is that Kabbage now uses your registered email or phone number as the primary login method. That's why the traditional username recovery option often fails. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Open the Kabbage app or visit the website. Enter your registered email or phone number instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for messages from Kabbage, like loan confirmations or account notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folders if it doesn't appear right away. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, use that same method to log in. Many failed recovery attempts happen because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still can't access your account, contact Kabbage support. Provide your full name, registered email or phone number and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team can verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users think their account is lost or locked, but the real reason recovery fails is simple. Kabbage removed usernames to simplify login and increase security. So don't stress, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email or linked login, reset your password if necessary, and you'll be back managing your Kabbage account in minutes.